If you've lost sending privileges on your Wells Fargo account, you can restore them by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Manage Account section in the main menu. This area contains options related to your account settings. Step 3. Select Sending Privileges. In the Account Services section, look for an option related to sending privileges or transfer limits. Click on this option to view your current status. Step 4. Review Requirements. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore your sending privileges. This may involve confirming your identity through security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. After completing these steps, you should have your sending privileges restored. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer support for further assistance.